Let's draw a crocodile. Here are simple steps to draw a basic crocodile: jaws and mouth. From the pointed end, draw a slightly curved line for the top jaw and a longer, curved line for the bottom jaw. Connect these lines to form the mouth. Add a small curve at the end for the snout, head shape. Start with an elongated oval shape for the head. Leave one end slightly pointed for the snout. 3. Eyes and nostrils. Place 2 small circles near the top of the head for eyes. Add small dots or tiny slits for nostrils on the snout. 4. Body outline. Extend a curved line from the head to create the back of the crocodile. Add a shorter, parallel line underneath for the belly. 5. Legs and feet. Draw 2 pairs of short, stubby legs extending from the body. Add 3 claws to each foot. Scales. Add small, overlapping oval or diamond shapes across the back and tail to represent scales. You can also draw some lines on the belly for texture. 8. Final details. Enhance the facial features by adding a line for the mouth and some teeth. You can also give your crocodile a friendly or fierce expression by adjusting the eyebrows. Let's color crocodile. We'd love to see your amazing drawings. Feel free to share them on our Appchant Facebook page. The link is in the description below, and for Facebook page you can scan QR code. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.